Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to show your recycle bin on your file explorer. So without further delay, let's get started. Now if I open my file explorer, and if you observed on my left hand side here, there is no recycle bin. So if I want to delete something or clear something from the recycle bin, I would have to go to the desktop and now empty the recycle bin or delete the file from it. So now I'll show you how to add it onto your file explorer. So set that any folder when you open, the recycle bin will also be attached to the folder, right? So what you just have to do is that it's very easy and simple to do. Just right click on this empty space, any empty space from this on your left side here, just right click on it. Now show all folders. Now if you click on show all folders, now you can see we have our recycle bin here. So let's assume that if I have some files here, so if I have this file here that I want to delete, so I can just move it to the recycle bin and then continue, and more especially I can just stand there and then right click and then empty the recycle bin. Right, so that is just how easy and simple it is to add your recycle bin on your file explorer. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.